Hello, grammarians. Let's dive into the world of grammar and we'll be talking about the adjective clause. So, adjective clause. So, you might have heard about adjective phrases and only adjectives. So, adjective meaning they describe the noun. So, adjectives describe the noun. Describe describe noun. So the adjective clause is the subordinate clause that describes or qualifies the noun in the main clause. So it qualifies the noun in main clause. So qualifies. Let's use different colors. So qualifies the noun in main clause, or I will write MC. So if we define adjective clause, then we can say that. Let me type it. So we define adjective clause. Just a second. So if we define, we will have an adjective clause and adjective clause. Oops, that's something. So an adjective clause is a group of the group oops group is a group of words which contains a subject, so which contain a subject and a predicate, which contain a subject and a and a predicate, the subject and predicate of its own. So it is more important. So they contain a subject and predicate of their own, so of its own, and does the work of an adjective. So does the work of an adjective. So this is important. So an adjective clause is a group of words which contain a subject, oops, sorry, which contain a subject and a predicate of its own, and does the work of an adjective. So it's a group of words. So if you can pause the video and take out your pen and pencil and just note this out. So let's move on. So I will have some group of sentences which will help you to explain the adjective clause. So this is my first sentence. So the sentence is, the umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. So the umbrella which has a broken handle which has a broken handle is mine. Now I can just write this sentence as the umbrella is mine. So let me copy that. So I can just write it as the umbrella is mine. Now it also makes the sentence that he said that, hey, there is something, so there is some umbrella, and you are saying that it is yours. So okay, it makes sense. But I'm saying that the umbrella which has a broken handle. So this is the adjective clause. I'm talking about the umbrella. So I might be pointing, or there are some umbrellas kept with the, and there is one with a broken handle. So I'm saying that the umbrella with a broken handle is mine. So this phrase, or actually it's a clause. So this, let me underline. So it, which has a broken handle. So this group of words talk about umbrella. So if you ask the question to umbrella, that is which, or if you ask the question which umbrella, then the answer will be which has a broken handle. So here, which has a broken handle is a subordinate adjective clause. So it's an adjective clause. And this is the main clause. The umbrella is mine. So it's the main clause, and we have got which has a broken handle as the subordinate clause, subordinate adjective clause. And now it's qualifying, that is it's describing about the noun umbrella in the main clause. So it qualifies the noun umbrella in the main clause. So it qualifies the noun in main clause. So we have analyzed the sentence completely. So we have split this sentence in two parts: the main clause, which is the umbrella is mine, and the adjective clause is which has a broken handle, and that adjective clause qualifies the noun umbrella. So let's take another sentence. So he met a girl whose eyes were blue. So he met a girl, some bright color. So let me choose. Okay, light blue will be good. Blue. So he met a girl. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Now you can pause it and you can refer to the above sentence and can analyze this. So I hope you were able to, or if you are not able, just say this now. So so I have this sentence. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Now which girl whose eyes were blue? So we asked the question which, and we got the answer, the appropriate answer, whose eyes were blue. So this group of words whose eyes were blue describes the word girl, and hence it's an adjective clause. Adjective clause. And he met a girl. So only this sentence. So again, let me copy. So just this sentence also makes sense. So he met a girl. So there's some boy and he has met a girl. So okay, never mind. You see, but when I say, or when I tell you that he met a girl whose eyes were blue, then I tell something about that girl. Okay, that was the girl whose eyes were blue in color. So just this sentence, he met a girl, also is a meaningful sentence. And but this group of words, the whose or the adjective clause whose eyes were blue, also describes or the qualifies the word or the noun girl in the main clause. So we have got he met a girl as the main clause. He met a girl as the main clause, and then we have got whose eyes were blue as the subordinate clause, and then this clause, the subordinate adjective clause, qualifies qualifies the noun girl in the main clause. This is important in the main clause, because there can be sometimes there are chances of having, or you can say that yes, he hears an I. So I, it's not size. So this is also a noun, but it is not being qualified. Actually, it's qualifying it is along with some other companion words or friend or his friends whose were blue. These words are qualifying the word girl. So I hope that you are now you are now able to analyze the given sentence, whether it's an adjective clause or not. And if you are still confused with the adjective clause and adjective phrase, then you can watch my video on adjective clause versus adjective phrase. Thank you.